Hello, this is the Triopo tripod, and today I'm gonna demonstrate to you how you can actually remove and convert one of the leg into a monopod. And it's really easy and straightforward process. All you need to do is you can pull down the legs and remove the ball head. You can untighten the locks a bit to make it a bit easier. Okay, remove the head. Oops. Alright, gotcha. Right, we need to remove this tube because we're gonna connect it to the leg to make it a bit longer. Alright, so it's time to detach the monopod portion of the tripod. So just look for the rubberized grip one. So that's the monopod. Alright, that's it. All you need to do is connect it to the monopod. But first we need to remove the hook cap at the bottom. Okay. And it comes with a connecting screw. Just put it there. We're gonna use this to connect the neck. Right, just like that. Just tighten it up and put your head. That's it. It's really easy. Alright, tighten it up and done. So you can expand your legs by adjusting the knobs. Right. Oh, but wait, there's a secret here. You can actually even pull it out to make it even taller. So I stand 6 feet and just go straight to my eye level. And it's really light. I really like this one. And you know, it's just part of the tripod, so just 2 in 1. Saves you money. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you can put this back again into a tripod. Alright, so just loosen up the grips and just lock it. Remove the ball head. Right, so remove the neck. Remove the connecting screw. So be sure to keep it in a safe place because you're gonna need that when you want to form a monopod again. Alright, attach your monopod leg into the main tripod. This is to form your tripod again. Alright. And simply slide back the neck to that hole. Yeah, just slide it back. If it is tight, you just need to loosen up the grip. That's the locking mechanism. Just loosen it up a bit so you can put the tube back. You can slide it in. Then put the hook cover. So the hook is pretty much useful if you want to hang your gear bag to make your tripod more stable. Right, just put it back and done. Just put back your ball head. It's really easy, eh? So it's just a really straightforward process. Some people may find this confusing at first, but with several practice, you will find it very easy to do. Okay, this Triopo tripod is really cool because it's 2-in-1. You save money because your tripod is also your monopod as well, so no need to buy two different stuff. So yeah, and it's pretty light because it's made of carbon fiber, so it's really light, really easy to use, very portable. Yeah, we're about 10 here. There you go, guys. Really easy, okay.